This tutorial will walk you through how to pay your invoices online through nobelbiocare.com. The online store gives you access to 5 years of past invoices. It allows you to perform advanced searches, download PDFs of your invoices, or export them into a CSV or Microsoft Excel file. First, log into your account through Nobel Biocare. You can access My Invoices through the main page of My Account by clicking on Manage My Invoices. Or you can click on your name at the top menu bar and select My Invoices. That will bring you to the main invoice page. Immediately, you can view all of your open invoices. It will list the amount due, any credits that are on the account, the total balance, and the total past due. To pay your invoices, click on the radio buttons next to each invoice or credit to select them individually, or click Select All to select all items. At the top right of the page, it will give you the total you wish to pay at that time. Click Pay to verify your selections. At the bottom of the screen, select your payment method, which are your current credit cards on file. Click Manage Payment Methods to edit, delete, or add a credit card. Click on Edit next to the credit card you wish to modify. You can then update your information and save the card as default. In the United States, you also have the option to pay by echeck. Click on My eChecks and then Add echeck to add your account type, routing number, account number, and name or check holder. If you wish to save the information for future use, click Save on File. Then click Save echeck. When ready, select your payment method and enter in the CVV number and click Pay. The payment will be processed and will show you the receipt. You may print the page for your records, but it will also be emailed directly to you. Thanks for watching this quick tip about the Nobel Biocare online store.